Here we are on Chapter 1 review, number 152. I'm doing starting on problem number 6. So in this problem, actually, this is the first number 6. It's really problem number 5 because there's 2 6s here. Don't ask me why. All right, determine the domain and range for all these problems. The domain is what all the possible x values are, and each one of these problems has a domain of all real numbers. That has been for the 3 parent graphs that we've had, absolute value, quadratics, and linear equations. That's what it is every time. In fact, with linear equations, all real numbers is what the y values can be also, because for whatever x, you get a y value out of it. But over here, these two are limited. This is the lowest y value that there is, 1, 2, 3, 4. So all the y values have to be greater than or equal to -4. Whereas in this one, since it's pointing down, this is the highest y value, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have y is less than or equal to 5. And that's all there is to domain and range for these problems. All right, so we can probably do the real number 6 right now. Let's see if we can handle that. Given the parent graph of f of x in the first chart, this is just some random thing I made up, determine the values of the following cells if f of x is transformed by this messy looking thing where there's a -3 vertical dilation. 1/5 is the horizontal dilation by a factor of 5. It shifts to the left 3 and it goes up 7. So if I was going to label my charts, I'd say this is a vertical or horizontal dilation by 5. This is a horizontal or vertical or horizontal dilation by 5, vertical dilation by -3, which also flips it over the x-axis. These are going to the left 3, and these are going up 7, so they're plus 7. So to get the c value, first I start with this 3. I multiply it by 5 to get 15, because that's the horizontal dilation. And then I subtract 3 from it because I'm going to the left. So the a value or the c value is 12. Boom, 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 boom. All right, sorry, didn't go in order. Too bad. All right, the second one is starting with 14, and we multiply by 5. Of course, that's just 70. So that one's done. We don't have to do any more with that. 70 is the answer for A. B is over here. It multiplies the y value by -3. So the b value is -9. And the last one requires us to do 2 things. We need to start with a 4, need to multiply it by -3 to get -12. And then we add 7 to that because it's going up. So -12 plus 7 is -5. And there's our values for all the charts.